Index number. Index number is a statistical measure designed to show the change in a group of related variables with respect to the geographical location or other characteristics such as income, population, etc. Construction of index numbers. Index numbers can be constructed in two ways. One is the unweighted simple, the other one is weighted. In the unweighted category, we have the simple aggregate method and the simple average of relatives method, while in weighted category, we have weighted aggregate method and weighted average of relatives. Now we define a term price relative. Price relative is the current price upon base price into 100, which is P1 upon P0 into 100, where P0 and P1 denote the commodity price during the base period and the given period. Now the first method to find out the index number is a simple aggregate method. So index number P01 is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100, where P01 denotes the price index number for the current year with reference to the base year. Question number 1. For the given data using 1994 as the base year, calculate a simple aggregate price index for the year 2004. Now, so we have commodity A, B, C, D, E, F, price in 1994 in rupees 20, 30, 10, 25, 40, 50. Price in rupees in 2004 25, 30, 15, 35, 45, 55. Now finding summation P0 which comes to 175, summation P1 which comes to 205. So the simple aggregate index P01 is equal to summation P1 upon P0 into 100, which is equal to 205 upon 175 into 100, which is equal to 117.14. Which means prices have increased 17% in 2004 as compared to the year and the prices of 1994. Number 2 is the second method is the simple average of price relative method. P01 is equal to summation P1 upon P0 into 100 upon N, where N is the number of items. From the data, question number 2, from the data, calculate the price index by simple average of price relatives taking 1980 as the base year. So we have commodity A, B, C, D, E, F, price in 1919 rupees, which is our P0, 20, 15, 3, 2.80, 6, 250. Price in 1990 in rupees, which is our P1, is 21, 14, 3, 2.80, 8, 260. Now finding price relative P1 upon P0 into 100. We have 21 upon 20 into 100, 105. 14 upon 15 into 100, 93.33. 3 upon 3 into 100, 100. 2.80 into 100, 100. 8 upon 6 into 100, 133.33. And the last is 104. So summation P1 upon P0 into 100 is 635.66. So the index number P01 is equal to 635.66 upon 6, which is 105.94. Now the third method is weighted aggregate method. Here index number P01 is given by summation P1W upon summation P0W into 100, where W are the weights of the items. Question number 3. Calculate index number for the year 2000 with 1995 as the base year by weighted aggregate method. Now on one column we have commodity A, B, C, D, E, price in rupees 1995, which is our P0, 140, 400, 100, 125, 200. Prices in rupees in the year 2000, which is our P1, 180, 550, 250, 150, 300. And weights are given for the commodities 10, 7, 6, 8, 4. So finding P1W and P0W. P1W is 1800, 3850, 1500, 1200, 1200. P0W 1400, 2800, 600, 1800. So summation P1W is equal to 9550. Summation P0W is equal to 660. So our index number summation P1W upon summation P0W into 100, which comes to 144.69. The fourth method is weighted average of price relative method. P01 is equal to summation P1 upon P0 into 100 into W upon summation W, which is equal to summation Wx upon summation W, if we denote summation P1 upon P0 into 100 by X. Question number 4. Calculate index number for 2005 with 2000 as the base year by using weighted average of price relative method. Now we have the commodities A, B, C, D, E, weights 5762, price in the year 2000, 2.50, 3, 1, price in 2005, 4.50, 3.20, 4.50, 1.80. Now finding out price relative P1 upon P0 into 100. The first one is 4.50 upon 2 into 100, which is 225. Next one is 128, then 150, then 180. Then finding Wx 1125, 896, 900, 360. Summation Wx 3281. Summation W20. So P01 is equal to summation P1 upon P0 into 100 into W upon summation W, which is 3281 upon 20, which is equal to 164.05.